Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all floral and butterflies and spring themed basically. So let's start with DIY number 1. For this DIY, I'm actually going to use this color throughout the DIY. So I just got this beautiful blue and also this light lime green, and I'm going to mix these two together and to get this beautiful tone that this plate has. And I like this color, so I wanted to incorporate that color in all the DIYs. And this is one of the beautiful butterfly that I got from Dollar Tree long back, and I'm going to use the outer frame of the butterfly. For this, I'm actually removing the inner side and I'm going to use for another DIY. And I'm basically painting this beautiful bluish green all over this butterfly and let it dry. Then I got this Dollar Tree calendar and I chose like Hello Spring, and has beautiful floral, and also I like the style of the letters, so I just had it in the center and then I trimmed off the excess. And I also had a garland with the pink and white beads, and I just stuck it as a hanger, and I attached one more bead in the just below that to decorate the whole butterfly today. And this turned out to be such a gorgeous spring themed butterfly floral DIY. I'm so happy with the end result. I hope you will like it as well. This DIY would be part of Dollar Store Floral DIY challenge, and this is hosted by Ellie over DIY From House to Home. And we have Christine from DIY Craftaholic and Lisa from Love and Still Life and myself as part of the beautiful spring collab. So please be sure to visit all of our channels and watch all our videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use another beautiful wooden butterfly that I got from Dollar Tree recently. I removed that floral backing and I started painting the same color, and I let it dry. After it is dried, I'm using a little bit of a hot glue on the white painted surface, so it's going to stick that on the back of the painted surface, and it just shows the flowers. It's so beautiful. I also painted the butterfly with a pink color, and I just decorated this with a little bit of a greenery and some florals in the base of the wooden surface there. And this turned out to be such a beautiful spring floral butterfly DIY, and I'm very much happy with it. I hope you would like it as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I got one of this tulip wooden sign, and I removed the tulip flower from the center, and I'm painting the same paint all over it, and I let it dry. While that is drying, I'm going to use this tiny wooden pieces. They're all like different shapes and sizes of butterflies and some flowers and leaves, and I'm going to paint all the spring colors there, lavender, the same blue and the pink and green and 2 types of pinks. So I'm just going to let it dry. While that is drying, I got this butterfly wooden cutout, and I'm going to paint with this pink chalk paint, and I let it dry. After it is dried, I also painted the border with the lavender paint and some dotted lines around it, and I stuck all those beautiful wooden cutouts all around the butterfly. For the leaf, I just made it in the center to decorate the butterfly, and I also stuck some of this pink painted butterflies that are flying out of the bigger butterfly. That's the picture I'm having in my mind. And I also created a tiny pink bow on top of the sign to finish the look, and I also stuck some of this green berries on top of the bow. And this is one of the cute spring floral butterfly DIY I'm very much happy with. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. So let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to use this butterfly lamp light. I'm going to pop out the light, and then I'm going to paint this beautiful bluish green to the back of the butterfly. For the front, I'm going to paint with white because we're going to do decoupage with some of the floral tissue paper. And this is also the tissue paper that I got from Dollar Tree long back. This is how it looks after it's dried. Now I'm taking this beautiful floral tissue paper. This is the paper I was talking about. I'm taking like generous amount of Mod Podge and I'm covering all over the painted surface, and I'm gently placing the piece of the tissue paper like that, and I'm just pressing with my fingers lightly so it just removes any air bubbles. And after it is dried, I'm just showing the fire, and then I just love how this fire eats away the excess paper, and then it just shows the paper that is only stuck to this butterfly. It's such a neat trick. I'm so happy I tried it, and I've seen that many people have done it. I thought I should give it a try. And for the gaps in between, I have to just poke a hole and then show the fire, and then it just takes away those gaps. Are also neatly done. Then I stuck back this LED light back to it, and then this is how it looks after it is turned on. And I attach one of this purple butterfly in the center to finish the look. Such a beautiful spring floral butterfly this is, and this would be like another great addition to all the DIYs today. And butterfly is something that makes you happy, isn't it? And this is one of the beautiful one that I'm very much happy with. Please let me know your thoughts on this. So let's move on to DIY number 5. And this DIY, I'm going to use the beautiful plate that I got from Dollar Tree, and I love this beautiful color. I'm going to use one of this stencil that I got from Dollar Tree long time back, and it's actually having a sticking back, which is very helpful when you're stenciling it down. So I took like pink chalk paint and I generously applied all over the stencil, and I let it dry, and I just gently pulled off, and this came out so well. You're going to see it because the light color is not showing up well. So I just drew the black border with this black marker, and I'm also drawing the in-between designs of the butterfly so the butterfly design shows up well. Then I took Mod Podge and applied a generous coat of it so the paint gets sealed on. Now I'm going to take some of these butterflies and paint with the pink chalk paint, and I let it dry. Now I'm taking generous amount of hot glue, and I'm just sticking 5 of these butterflies on the border of the plate strategically, and this turned out to be such a cute DIY. I'm not going to overdo it, just the butterflies in the center and the border, and I'm going to call it done. So this is another cute spring DIY that I'm very much happy with. It's a butterfly in the center and the butterfly in the border, and the colors, I just love it. So I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. If you like to connect with me on a social media, these are some of the handles that you can use. So let's move on to DIY number 6. For this DIY, I'm going to use this beautiful sign, which is also the same color that we are going on with today. And I love how this sign has a lot of florals, and some of them are having like an embossed look to those flowers. So I just wanted to add some of those pink painted butterflies on top of it. I am just placing here and there some of them, and I also have this wooden painted butterflies from the previous DIYs. Using hot glue, I'm going to strategically attach it all over the branches, and also some of this painted butterflies in some parts of the same picture. This canvas art is already pre-made and pre-done. I'm just adding some butterflies and some colors to this to personalize my design here. So yeah, this is the final reel of this beautiful canvas art. Look how beautiful those flowers are, those colors and subtle bluish green and pink, and also pink butterflies, which are like 3D art here. And I'm so much happy with the end result. I hope you would like it as well. These are some of the pastel bluish green spring floral butterfly decor DIYs that I wanted to share with you all today. And I loved each and every one of it, and these are all really close to me. Butterflies are something that everyone loves, and some florals and butterflies, that's what the theme I wanted to bring on today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you like some of these ideas and if you'd like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon for the notification when I upload videos like this. And thank you for such a heartwarming comments that makes me really motivated for doing more videos like this. And I wanted to appreciate and thank, and I'm very grateful for all the support that you've been giving towards my channel. Thank you guys. So now it's time to say goodbye for now, and until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.